Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today we are going to unbox the Moza Mini S mobile gimbal. So this is a 3-axis mobile gimbal and it is affordable as compared to other gimbals in the market. So let's unbox the gimbal. So here is the box, let's unbox it. So we have some nice packing here. So I'm just going to use the knife to cut open the seal. Well, actually no seal, the plastic. I have to be gentle not to break the inner product, but looking at this packaging, it's going to be a little hard. And here we go. Here we have the little cut, and now we can easily open this plastic wrapping. So now the cardboard box. And that's some quite nice packaging from the rod. So here is the box, and here are something. Please read instructions carefully before operating the gimbal. So this is the sticker that is sent by the seller. Let me just open this or remove this tape. And other than that, I'm going to have my warranty card or anything else. Okay, putting these aside, here is the box. Mini S Essential Smartphone Gimbal, the front. Now on the side we have the black, and on the back side here we can see it supports Bluetooth and all the other things. So I ordered the black color. So here is the packing list, what we are going to get in the box. We are going to get the Mini S, of course, a mini tripod as well, a charging cable, a camera control cable, a storage pouch, and a user manual. So let's gently open the packaging of it without damaging the box. So here is this little place. And here we go. And here it is. So here is the box. Now I'm going to slide the gimbal out, and we have this little seal here as well. So I'm going to cut that seal off. Okay, now I'm going to slide the gimbal outside, and here you go. So that was a nice experience. Here we have this little manual on how to close and open the gimbal. We don't need this. Here is the actual gimbal manual itself. Here we get the Moza sticker as well, and inside first you're going to look at the accessories. Here we have the storage pouch, which we can store our gimbal in. Here you can see. Now other than that, here we have our cable, one USB to type C cable. So our gimbal will have the type C port, and the other to our charger to power our gimbal. Another 3.5mm to a USB, micro USB, so that you can connect your smartphone. But we're not going to need it because we are going to use Bluetooth for this purpose. Now here we have the tripod. Here is a small tripod for the gimbal, you can see. And now here is the actual gimbal itself. So I'm going to gently remove it, and other than that the box is empty. So let's see the gimbal. So in order to rotate and go to the full size, you're going to put this clip at the back, and you're going to rotate just like this, and you're going to lock it in place. Now you can see the gimbal is moving. Now I'm going to insert my smartphone, and then I'm going to show you the gimbal and it's working. Other than that, before I show you, here you have a small joypad, some buttons for the functions. On the right you have your power button, on the lower side you have your battery indicator, how much juice is left on your gimbal, and on the back you have your little trigger. Here is my mobile phone placed on the gimbal. So here are some sample videos that are made using this gimbal. So guys, if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and I will be soon making a review on this gimbal as well, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next one.